Thanks. So I can.
No, I got it.
Sweet unholy cobalt. Is Brad...
Okay, so I just don't fully understand what's going on. Now, I spend a lot of money on YouTube advertising for my business, and I know that if you don't have something interesting to say in the first 5 seconds of your ad, that people generally tune out, or, you know, they might go off and do something different. You know, on TV, you can't actually click skip ad, but, you know, in real life, you just kind of, you know, you take out your phone, you start fiddling around, you do something, you go get some cheese puffs or something like that. In this case, I didn't figure out what they're doing. There's some little humor, like holy cobalt. I get that there's two friends at dinner together and this guy's throwing what looks like his card to his friend, but I don't totally get what this ad is about just yet, and we're already about a fourth of the way through the entire ad. So let's continue going. Maybe it gets more clear.
Brad's card better than mine? Better sign-up bonus? Better travel perks? Is that how Brad took that trip to Barcelona?
I get that the friend is envious and that this guy Brad seems like a really cool guy. Now, I know what this guy is doing is, you know, or what NerdWallet does is they sell credit cards. NerdWallet makes money if you sign up for a credit card with, you know, Visa, MasterCard, whatever. You know, they get a commission. They get, you know, they have deals with Visa and those companies to give NerdWallet $100 every time somebody signs up. It's something like that. This isn't making me want to sign up for a credit card so far. We're halfway through, and it's just it's more about humor. It seems like this probably had a big budget. It seems like a big ad agency, some overthinking, and I don't see any benefit in this for me. I just don't understand how anything is going to help me out right now. But let's keep going.
Wait, Barcelona? Barcelona?
Steve, I got it on NerdWallet.
Ah. You said all that out loud.
Want a better credit card? We've got you. From the best...
So far, you know, I think the point of that piece was that he's got a better credit card than him. He has more points, is I think the point they were trying to make, and and that Brad's envious, so that because Brad's cooler than him, and he got his card on NerdWallet. I'm just not seeing the benefits yet.
Rates to the best rewards. For all your credit card questions, turn to the nerds.
For all my, I don't have any credit card questions. I just didn't get really the point of that. I get that, you know what, he got his credit card on nerdwallet.com, but never for a particular moment in that ad was I feeling like, oh, I need to go to NerdWallet too and get a new credit card. It just didn't really speak to me. It seemed like an interesting commercial. It seemed fun to watch, but being fun to watch isn't what sells products. And as a commercial, not selling products, it doesn't make sense for the company. I mean, what I do in marketing, I spend about between $2,000 to $10,000 every day. And you know, my company earns more than that. And whenever I spend $1, my goal is to make back $2. Okay, because I have to pay for my ads and I have to pay for my employees. So, and I have to hopefully take home some of the money to, you know, take care of my wife and kids and all that stuff. But the point being is, I have to get people to do things. I have to get people interested in, like, I have to solve somebody's problem. I have to speak to people to help solve their problem. I didn't see any problem being posed there that this NerdWallet site solved. So that was very unclear to me. I know NerdWallet's done very well on the internet with what they do, their ads on the internet and offering people, you know, comparisons and reviews of different credit cards. But the commercial just was, it didn't sell cards. It used a little bit of humor. And coming from a marketer's perspective, I would give that ad an F, straight up. I don't think it did anything to sell credit cards. I think that was horrible. And if they're trying to brand themselves somehow, it didn't say any benefits for me. It just seemed like something that would waste my time. So thanks for watching this. As I already mentioned, what I do for a living is I do affiliate marketing, and but I teach marketing on this channel because I absolutely love marketing, and I just love conveying my enthusiasm for marketing. I think it's a magical skill and a power to learn. And if you like marketing, if you like learning about marketing too, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. The button's right down below somewhere. Click it. No, but seriously, only if you're interested in learning about marketing and learning about how to make money online from home. Make sure you subscribe. I come out with videos every day of the week about how to do this and how to work for yourself, like I do. You know, I make over $7 million a year in my business, and I make a little bit of that in profits, and I live a nice life in Malibu, California, and I like helping other people learn about marketing and how they can do it for themselves as well. So if you want to check out more of my channel, if you want to learn about affiliate marketing, check out the video up in the description. If you want to learn more about my channel, subscribe, and also feel free to join our communities. We have a Discord chat channel, we have a Facebook group, and we also have a subreddit where you can interact with other members, talk about more advertising and marketing related items. Also, leave a comment below if you like this format of videos. If you'd like to see more, just say, show more. And also make sure to let me know if there's a particular ad that you'd like me to review. Type it down below and I'll Google it or I'll search it and I'll find it, and I'll see if, you know,